Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll guide you through a simple process to manage the apps connected to your Gmail account and ensure your information stays secure. First, open a web browser on your phone or computer and go to myaccount.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to your Gmail account. If you're already logged in, you'll see your profile icon at the top right. Next, click on Security in the menu. Scroll down until you reach the section labeled Third-Party Apps with Account Access. Tap on See All Connections to view every app and service linked to your Gmail. If you find an app you don't recognize or no longer use, simply select it and choose Remove Access. Confirm your choice, and that app will no longer have access to your Gmail account. And that's it. Regularly reviewing and managing these connections is a great way to keep your account safe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.